Hello everyone, today we tribute to the legendary Frances Sternhagen, a romantic character actor whose incredible talent left an indelible mark of the both stage and the screen time. Let's celebrate for her remarkable career and contributions. Frances Sternhagen, born in 1913, spark of her acting journey, captivated audience with her exceptional performance. Her career flourished on Broadway, earning of two prestigious Tony Awards. In 1974, she triumphed for her role in Neil Summers' The Good Doctor, followed by another in 1995 for The Heiress. Frances Sternhagen's legacy extends beyond for Tony Awards and TV roles. Her profound impact on Broadway spanning decades enhanced the world theatre. Even in her later years, she maintained a strong presence in the entertainment industry, leaving a enduring legacy. As we bid farewell to this extraordinary talent, let's remember Frances Sternhagen, both the joy and inspiration were about to country's lives. May her contribution continue to shine bright in the world of entertainment.